we're going to go through just the first few lines of how we might be able to tackle this program here. We're asked to ask the user to type in 5 different items or 5 different responses, and then we're going to incorporate those responses into a little story. I'm just going to do maybe the first 2 to give you an idea of how we can get that set up. So we need to ask them for an animal and a color. So we are going to use the input function to ask them to type something in. So please type in an animal. Okay, and I'm going to assign that into a variable. I'm going to call it animal. And then we're going to type in a color. So please type in a color. And I'm going to assign that into a variable called color. And then we're going to display a story that has both of those things. So very simply, let's just say I went to the zoo and saw a, then I'm going to add or concatenate the color animal. Okay, so whatever they type in for the color, we're going to put that in there, and then we're going to follow it with the animal that they typed in. So we're going to say, I saw a color. So that means I'm going to extract whatever they typed in into that question there, and then I'm going to type in an animal like this. So if I run this right now, let's just see what might happen. There will be a problem here, but let's see if you can spot what's happening here. Kangaroo, red, okay, and it says, I went to the zoo and saw a red kangaroo. Notice there's no space between the red and the kangaroo. That's because we haven't inserted a space between those 2 variables. So we've substituted the values in there, but because the plus sign will automatically join things right next to each other, we need to be able to join a space in between. So I need to use an extra plus sign to join a space that we enclose in quotation marks, okay? So let's go through again. Let's see an animal, kangaroo, red, should see red kangaroo now with a space in the middle. And you know what? I'm going to add a full stop at the end because we're trying to be grammatically English-wise correct. Okay, like that. Now we should get a full stop at the end as well. Okay, cool. So that's how we take 2 inputs, put into 2 variables, and then use them inside a print function with concatenation symbols to join them together, remembering also to join in any spaces that we need and any punctuation or words that come afterwards as well.